The SCP Foundation is authorized by the government of the United States to secure the public's safety. Please be aware that a SCP-001 scenario has occurred and is not expected to fade in the near future. An unknown chain of events had taken place inside the Sun's core, resulting in cellular dislocation in a biological body. Any sunlight, including moonlight, sun or moonlight reflected off by mirrors is turning biological entities into lumps of flesh. It is not advised to rest in direct sunlight even for short periods of time, which may even be as short as 12 seconds. It cannot be estimated how many people have already died from this event, but it is very likely that this number lies in the billions. Avoid light within the nanometer spectrum. This includes sunlight, moonlight and sunlight or moonlight which is reflected off by mirrors. Enter a dark room with no windows, or completely cover yourself in thick clothing to lower the shutters of your room. Make sure that you use multiple layers of clothing, sunglasses and full face masks, if you truly need to enter sunlight. Avoid formerly wooded areas and do not expect help from anyone or anything anywhere. The SCP Foundation will air its daily update message at 1 p.m. and 7 p.m. on all media outlets, so make sure you don't miss it. We wish you another day.